Hello, my name is Aimee Walden and this is my Math 1350 Base 10 project. So for my Base 10 blocks, I used a flashcard for my flat, a Q-tip for my long, and a cotton ball for my ones unit. So I got my supplies at Dollar General, and so if I were to have a class of 20 students, it would cost in total $13. Okay, so for our first example, we have 165 plus 256. So first, I'm going to bring out my 1 flat, 6 longs, and 5 ones units. And then I'm going to bring out the 2 flats, my 5 longs, and my 6 ones units. So in this problem, since there's no identified base, we always are going to assume that we're in base 10. So when we're adding 6 plus 5, it gives us 11. But since we're in base 10, we can't have 11. So what we're going to do is group 10 ones unit. And so that gives us equivalent to 1 long. So since I made my group of 10, I can gather these together and put them to the side and exchange them for 1 long. So what I just showed is that I made 1 group of 10 with 1 unit left over. We're going to focus on our tens place. So we're always going to assume we're in base 10. So we're going to take our Q-tips and put them in groups of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I can only make 1 group of 10. Since we're in base 10, I can't go any further, so I can only make 1 group of 10 with 2 left over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this group of 10, put them to the side, and exchange them for 1 flat. So now what I've just shown is that we've made 1 group of 10 with 2 left over. So now we're going to focus on our flats. We're in base 10 and we can't really make a group of 10, so we just add up what's left on the table. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 flats. So we would just put a 4 in our hundreds place, and so our answer would be 421. So the next problem that we're going to do is 576 divided by 4. So I've brought out my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats, 7 longs, and 6 ones units. And so I'm going to start with my flats. So I have to make a group of 4. So I bring together these 4, but I can't make another group of 4. I have 1 left over. So I'm going to take this flat and I'm going to exchange it for 10 longs. So now I have my 1 group of 4 and my added 10 longs. So now we're going to focus on our tens place. So what I'm going to do is, since we're once again dividing by 4, I have to make groups of 4. So I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 4 groups of 4 with 1 left over. I can't make another group of 4 because I have no more Q-tips left except for this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Q-tip aside and bring in my 10 ones units. So we're going to add my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we're going to focus on our ones place. So we're once again dividing by 4. So I'm going to make a group of 4. So I have 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, and 4 groups of 4. So I've made an even amount of groups. So that's all I have to do. So this shows my answer was 144. So that was my base 10 project. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.